now we will have a look at the joins in SQL. But wait, why do we need to go for joining a table? Because if you are going to use a relational database management system, that time you already have a relation between different table, right? And to use those relation, that key concepts comes into the picture, right? So we use those key concepts to actually prove the relation between the tables we have. But what actually it help us? So basically it helping us to fetch the data, to fetch a proper data, right? And to filter your data as well, right? So now we will have a look at how this actually fetching part and helping us to fetch the data from databases using this relational database management concepts we will have a look at, right? So first we will start with what is join in SQL. So a join concepts, which is basically a clause used to combine rows from different table based on condition. Suppose, let me give you an example for that. Suppose you have a table called customer and you have a table called account, right? Now you want to see, maybe you have customers in your database, but those customer does not have any account in your bank, right? Now you want to filter what are the data, what are the customer you have, actually those customer having account in your bank, okay, or in your apps maybe, right? So in this case you want to filter your data, but your customer table is a different table and account table is a different table. How can you join them if they both does not have any relation? Yes, this is where this join SQL joins comes into the picture. It basically help you to merge two table and get the similar like match data from them.